Good afternoon. Welcome to Cation. What are the most visited places on tourism attraction in your city? The most attractive place in the municipality is Salto Candelas, located in the current visit of the Pajarito Boyacá municipality. It is tourism attraction that offers you the opportunity to get in touch with nature, mainly touch ecological woods, and or night version of an observation on the second waterfall most important in the country. What are the best things that have happened to you on the train mentioned to? Okay. Getting to know Gondaba, the great valley of dangerous dinosaurs located in the municipality of Sachica, Boyacá. What's all the best experience I have there because they save replicas of dinosaurs and exhibition that there in it during the town gave explain to the evolution and subsequent extinction of the animal have been. What is bird visiting popular tourist destination of least now tourist destination? Why? It is important to visit popular tourist destinations but the long session because it is guaranteed that the place is properly conditioned and equipped with the necessary resources for the enjoyment of tourism. The place have high quality service staff. Have you ever met a new friend on a trip at a step? Yes, I have done the process to enter the university. I meet the current now like me was going to study the science degree for now with whose exam hers I fit was an exam gains photo numbers. However, today one maintained a beautiful friendships that they have transcended over time. Have you ever been and breakfast? What is your opinion about this trip? Now, I consider it in the incredible experience and one that the generation I love of the adrenaline because the destination is sentient and someone requires you to understand a dream with a lighter on the planet. However, I will know to it for several reasons. Among the I linked to silent fee because women are experienced to many dangers. Second, I consider mainly an organization and planning person and life in a dream with knowing what I will tomorrow is planted doings not attract my attraction. Thank you.